Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my unboxing experience with you. I recently ordered 3 stunning heirloom rose varieties from heirloomroses.com, the Twilight Zone rose, the heirloom rose and the love and peace rose. So let's dive in and see how they arrived. Wow, right off the bat I can see that these plants have been packed with so much care. The first thing I noticed is that the great quality of the plants. They arrived in such pristine condition and I am thrilled by the matured size of each one. Just look at these beautiful new shoots and multiple branches. It's clear that they have been nurtured well. I have been observing these plants in my nearby rose garden, so I really got impressed with these plants, so I thought I would give it a try by buying it from Heirloom Roses. Let's take a closer look at the Twilight Zone rose. This beauty is known for its striking dark purple blooms that have a velvety texture. Here is the quick summary of its profile. It's a grandiflora rose and it requires 6 to 8 hours of sun, and it typically grows about 4 feet tall, 3 feet wide. And the bloom color is what impressed me a lot. It blooms in dark purple, truly mesmerizing. And the bloom size is about 3.5 inch, very double and old fashioned. And it has strong citrus with a lovely spice fragrance. And it is excellent for bouquets as the blooms last long in a vase. And it is also perfect for container gardening given its manageable size. And it is a good cold hardy variety, and this can be grown from zone 5 and above. Next up, we have Heirloom Rose. This classic variety is a must-have for any rose lover. Here is what you need to know about it. It's a hybrid tea rose. It enjoys full sun, so find a sunny spot for it. And it grows about 3 feet tall and 4 feet wide. Its bloom color and the shape of the bloom is what really impressed me to buy this plant. Yes, this comes with lilac pink with a classic rose shape, and it is 4 to 5 inch semi-double blooms with a petal count of 35. It's a large size bloom, but it's not full. So that's another thing you need to know, but it really pretty. It will steal your heart. And the fragrance is exceptional. It comes with a sweet fragrance that fills the air. You will definitely love it. And it's fantastic for cutting. The blooms are sturdy and fragrant. It adapts well to pots, making it a versatile choice for any garden. This plant is in a lower side of the winter hardiness. This plant can be grown from zone 7 and above. It is recommended to buy plants that are at least 1 or 2 zones below your growing zone. For example, I live in zone 7, so if I have to choose a nice variety for my zone, I need to choose a plant that thrives from zone 5 and above. So even if sometimes your average weather goes down, you still have a chance to keep your plant alive. I know I'm taking a risk because I really fell in love with this plant, so I want to really try and enjoy this beauty in my garden. So I'm taking a risk of buying a rose plant that grows in zone 7 and above. But if I have to recommend, I recommend you choosing a plant that thrives in zone 6 and above if you live in growing zone 7. Finally, let's talk about love and peace rose. This one is an absolute favorite among gardeners for its stunning colors and fragrance. Here is the profile. It's a hybrid tea. It requires full sun to thrive. It reaches about 6 feet height and 4 feet width. So it's a big shrub unlike the other 2 plants. So you need to plan a good amount of space for it. The color and size is what impressed me a lot when I was browsing through Heirloom Roses website. It comes with yellowish peachy with pink edges, a true showstopper, and it features huge bloom with 4-inch full size bloom. Only thing is it doesn't really have a great fragrance, so the fragrance level is light and fruity, but it's simply delightful, and it makes a stunning addition to any floral arrangement. While it's a big size plant, but it still fits in pot if you have to plant this in a pot. So there you have it, my unboxing experience with these incredible heirloom roses from heirloomroses.com. I'm absolutely in love with the quality, size and health of these plants. I have purchased from Heirloom Roses for multiple times throughout the last few years since I started my rose gardening. I can't wait to plant them in my garden and watch them flourish. If you are considering adding some beautiful roses to your collection, I highly recommend checking them out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment below about your favorite rose varieties. Until next time, happy gardening!